The Elephants Who Returned, a story based on Lawrence Anthony, Thula inspiration. In South Africa, a man once rescued a violent herd of elephants. The elephants trusted no human. But slowly, something changed. Not through dominance, not through fear, through presence. Years later, when the man died, the elephants reportedly walked for hours and stood silently near his home. No one called them, yet somehow they knew. The mind searches for explanation. But perhaps the deeper question is, what kind of communication have humans forgotten?